Namaste, good morning all. Today my husband making a achar or pickles. This is cauliflower in English, but in Nepali is gobi. Now we already put this one for dry in 2 days. Now ready for making an achar. And then the ingredients here, he already make fry for this. Danya and Jera. And then now it's on the way the till. This is the one we use. Mustard oil. Mustard oil, and then 3 packet for the need it. Now the till is going to heat. This is the Nepali achar. So yummy. You can try it up after this boiling. You can mix it with the gobi. Pagtapos nito mag-boil, and then he can mix with this all the ingredients. Dry ingredients. This one he will make it a powder. Will make it like a powder, and then add noon or salt to taste. This is only the ingredient. And then there is also another one. I think he will add also the another ingredients. Later I will show you again. Now add on now the masala. Turmeric, coriander, and this is the masala, guys. Now mixing. Oh my god, it's spicy. Salt to taste. And then you saw already the yellow, dirty pillow. That is the turmeric. Excuse me, bless you. Because too much chili, guys, chili powder. You do achung. See, this all the masala he put. And then after, black salt. He add also the white salt, and then black salt also he add. And then ready for mixing. Mix and mat. And then what's that?
Mango powder.
Mango powder. He add also mango powder. He add mango powder. The turmeric he already put. And then he add also the vinegar so that it's become long time, this one. He add vinegar. Now ready for mixing. Now he's mixing na, guys. Now ready for mixing, and then after now ready the till. The till is waiting to cook. One, the till already done. Then this is ready. Alu achar. Alu gobi. What's his name?
Gobi achar.
Gobi achar. Sorry naman, guys, because my Nepali is 100%. 2 MB ba? Ay, nako. Now add on na the oil, mustard oil. Now ready for mix. Don't worry, guys, my husband already washed his hands last week. He already washed his hands last week, guys. So yummy. Come here, guys. Come, Habibi. Come to Nepal. See? In Nepal, guys, oh my God, very cheaper vegetables. I think all the food. Very cheaper. Because as per my mama, the garlic, oh my God, very mahal. If I'm going home, guys, you know what? My plan, I will bring 10 kilo of onion, 10 kilo of garlic, and then 10 kilo of, what is the one? The yellow one? Turmeric. Inshallah, hopefully, guys. See, turmeric also add on. Now ready our achar. Mix, and then after you stock in the container. I think ready to eat this one, di ba? No.
1 week.
1 week. Just make, guys, and then after stock in the container. After 1 week, yummy. Happy tummy na, guys. This is the favorite of my Nepali husband family. Yummy. Again, noon. Noon is salt.
Asin
Is mean asin in my Bisaya. In Tagalog, ano? Alat. In Tagalog is maalat. In Tagalog is maalat. In Cebuano is asin. In Nepali is noon. And then in English is salt. Asa ka pa, Jai? Ang dami kong language.
Panyo?
Espanyol, I don't know.
Asin.
Acidic. Oh, guys, ready na. Just wait, after 1 week, it's ready to guam. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment also. Please comment from where this video came from. Sana naman at least update kung saan na nakarating ang aking video. Thank you so much. Be kind. Much love. Bye. Now, guys, ready for stock in the container. And then after 1 week, ready for mouth watering. How many kilo this one you buy, babe?
Overall 10 kilo, and out of 10 kilo we cook and eat something like around 2 kilo. So this is
because this one, guys, cauliflower is very cheaper here. The kilo is 1 kilo is how much?
5 peso.
5 peso. It means 15 rupees. 5 peso, guys, in 1 kilo for this cauliflower. In Nepal is 15 rupees. That's why we need to grab. There is a season. Now, ready for after 1 week, ready. Guam. Ready na siya, guys, sa akin. Sorry muna sa kalat-kalat, guys, ha? Tingnan nyo, guys, ang laki ng container, guys, kasi yung kailangan din bigyan yung mga family sa na to. I think maximum to 4 kilo or 5 kilo tong cauliflower. Tapos with mga ingredients pa na hinalo-halo niya. Tingnan nyo, guys, ready na siya after 1 week. Oh my gosh. Kapag kakain after 1 week, guys, ipakita ko din sa iyo magmukbang ang aking asawa. Okay, bye, guys. Hello, guys. Grocery haul tayo, guys. Vegetable haul. Bumili ang aking asawa ng radish. Radish and carrots. Carrots, guys. Grocery haul tayo. Ay, naku, nahulog tuloy. Pang konsumo to, guys. Konsumo. Tapos, ito beans. Pang sahog sa, pang sahog sa mga pansit or mga fried rice. Tapos, cucumber. Kasi si Sophia, guys, grabe, pura buyag. Cucumber siya. Sausawan. Sarap nito, guys. Mamaya ko na ino. Tapos, itong cauliflower. Dito sa Nepal kasi, ang mura-mura lang talagang vegetable. Vegetable pa lang, Diyos ko. Tingnan mo, ang ganda, guys. Vegetable pa lang dito, guys. Talagang in fairness compare sa Pilipinas. Sa Pinas, ang mahal kasi yung mama ko nga nasa Cebu, nagreklamo na ang mahal. Garlic. Diba guys, sa Cebu, alam nyo ba sa Cebu, isang ganito kunin mo to, tapos ilagay sa wrapper ng ice candy, mga 20 pesos na siya, mga 3 piraso, sabi ng mama ko. Samantalang dito, puya usog, 1 kilo, 2 kilo, ang dami ng mga 1 month, 2 months ko na itong gamit. At saka hindi mawawala ang broccoli. Ito ang paborito ni Sophia, guys. I-steam ko lang or i-mix ko sa lauoy or utan. Yun na. Tapos yun. Di ba ang ganda? Tapos hindi pa yun, guys. Giant na pumpkin. Siguro isang buwan. Isang buwan to namin na guys. I-consume. Ang laki. Kasi mura ngayon ang mga vegetable. Lalong mumura talaga. Diba? Ang dami. Tapos may talong pa akong before kabibili ng naiwan yung 4 na talong ko, guys. I think ito ang talong ko na lang to siya. Yan, tingnan mo, ang dami, guys, puya usog. Diyos ko, sa Nepal talaga, mabuhay ka na talaga, guys. Kasi kapag vegetable ka, grocery whole. Radish. Ang dami, puya usog lang talaga. At saka ang daming, ang laki ng pumpkin. Diba? Halin na kayo dito, guys. Kung pwede, alam nyo guys, kung pwede ko lang to ikargo sa Cebu, ikargo ko na tong garlic, onion, at saka ginger. Lalo na turmeric. Kasi sabi ni mama, ang mahal-mahal doon. Grabe. Ang mahal ng vegetable. Ready na ang aking pang chop suey. Thank you guys. Be kind. I love you all. God bless. Amping.